how to fix a header overlap on your Wix. For example, right here, the image is overlapping on my header and it was blocking the header. So to fix it, you want to click on the image itself or anything that was blocking your header. And then you want to do a right click on it. And then on overlapping items, you want to click on it. And then choose on see all layers right here. And then on the image itself, you want to drag it down all the way to the top and make it as the background. And there you go. There will be no overlapping. Or if you just want to delete it, you can just tap again on the image and then delete it. Or if your header is just gone like that, there is no header right here at the top of your website. To make it appear again, you want to click on this pages and menu. And then on the side menu, click on home and choose these three dots right here. And then tap on settings. On the page settings, you want to go to layout and you want to make sure you are choosing the standard, not no header or footer right here. Because if you choose this one, your header will be gone. And just like that, if you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.